Okay, so we are now ready to install Flutter. The first thing that we need to do is to head over to flutter.io, and then we can tap on this Get Started button over here. We land on this page where we get three options to install on Windows, macOS and Linux. So in this section I'll show you how to get Flutter installed on macOS, and on the next section I'll show you how to install Flutter on Windows. So if you have macOS, you can keep following this video and skip the next section. And if you have Windows, you can head over to the next section and skip this one. Alright, so for macOS, let's carry on and tap on this button. And here we land to this document which explains in detail everything that you need to do to install Flutter on macOS. I'd recommend that you read this document yourself as you follow along this video. The main reason is that these instructions might change slightly over time, so this document will always contain the most up-to-date information for installing Flutter. And also, if you miss any steps from this video, you should be able to find the instructions that you need over here. First of all, make sure that you meet all the requirements that are listed over here and that you have all these tools already installed in your system. Then we are ready to go ahead, so I'm going to this section and I'm going to tap on this link to download the Flutter SDK. Now, this might take some time, so I will resume this video at the end of the download. Okay, so the Flutter SDK has finished downloading on my system and it will show up here in the downloads folder. The next thing that I'm going to do is to move the SDK to a place that I want. And in this case, I choose to move it over to my documents folder. Now, this could be any folder on your machine, so feel free to save this wherever you prefer. And but for now, I'm going to open up my terminal over here. And then I'm going to head over to my documents folder. And here I can run unzip Flutter macOS SDK, which will extract the SDK onto my system. Just make a bit of space. So I'm gonna let this command run and we will continue on the next video.